Welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to go over what simple columnar epithelium is. The epithelium is the outer thin layer of tissue made up of a continuous layer of cells that lines the external surfaces of the body, organs and blood vessels, in addition to the internal surfaces of the hollow organs within the body. There are several types of epithelium found lining the surfaces of the body. These can be distinguished based on a mixture of the number of layers of cells the epithelium is made up of and the shape of the epithelial cells. When the epithelium consists of only a single layer of epithelial cells, it is referred to as simple epithelium. When the epithelial cells are elongated and the height of the cell is longer than the width, they are called columnar cells. Simple columnar epithelium is made up of a single layer of cells that are elongated and columnar in shape. The single layer sits on the basement membrane. There are two types of simple columnar epithelium, ciliated and non-ciliated. Ciliated simple columnar epithelium consists of a single layer of columnar cells that have cilia on the apical surface of the cells. Interspersed between the ciliated cells are modified cells called goblet cells. Goblet cells lack any cilia or microvilli on the apical surfaces of the cell. The primary function of these goblet cells is secretion. They secrete mucus that lubricates the internal surfaces of the parts of the body it is found in. An example of a location where this type of epithelium is found is lining the fallopian tubes in the female reproductive system. The ciliated cells function in transportation. In our example of the fallopian tube, the cilia beat in unison, moving the oocytes, which are the eggs, through the fallopian tubes. Non-ciliated simple columnar epithelium consists of a single layer of columnar cells that have microvilli covering the apical surface of the cell. Microvilli are tiny extensions of the cell membrane. The presence of these microvilli are important in increasing the surface area of the cell. They are also interspersed with modified cells called goblet cells. Again, these goblet cells function in secretion of mucus. An example of a location where non-ciliated simple columnar epithelium is found is in the digestive tract. The epithelium here consists of a single layer of cells that are columnar in shape. They also possess microvilli on the surface facing the lumen. This increase in surface area from the presence of microvilli is important as the main function in this type of epithelium is absorption. Both ciliated and non-ciliated simple columnar epithelial tissue function as a layer of protection against substances found in the lumen of the different organs it is found lining. And that concludes this video on simple columnar epithelium.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.